Hello, good morning. This is Cherry Blossom Hotel. Noli Boko speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, good morning. I would like make reservation for the second week of December. Do you have any vacancies?
Yes, sir. We have a several rooms available for the particular weekend. May I know the exact date of your arrival?
That will.
How long you will be staying?
I'll be staying for 2 nights.
How many people for the reservation for?
Just for one person.
Would you like a standard room or deluxe room or a suite room?
A deluxe room, please. I would love an ocean view. What's the rate for the room?
Your room is 12,000 per night, and may I know what name will be reservation will stay under?
Dino Reyes.
Let me spell your name, sir. Delta, India, November, Oscar, Dino, Romeo, Echo, Yankee, Echo, Sierra, Reyes.
Perfect.
And is there a phone number where you can be contacted, sir?
Yes, my cell phone number is 0950-881-2152.
Great, sir. Let me just inform you that we are requiring at least 50% deposit to confirm your reservation. How do you like to pay, sir? Through bank-to-bank transfer or debit or credit? Or an electronic money partners like GCash and PMaya?
Credit card, please.
Thank you, sir. What types of card is it?
Visa.
Note, sir, for security purposes, can I get your email address so that we can send to you the instruction and secure link where you can provide your credit and information?
Dino Reyes at gmail.com ph.
Alright, Mr. Reyes, we will just wait for your deposit within the day to confirm your reservation.
Good morning. Welcome to Cherry Blossom Hotel.
Good morning.
Mind your head, please. Do you have any luggage, sir?
No, but I have a bag.
Would you like to check your bag, please?
Yes, of course.
Would you like to follow me to the front desk?
Sincerely.
This way, please. Sir, this is Boko Noli, our front desk officer.
Good morning, sir. Welcome to Cherry Blossom Hotel. How may I help you?
I have a reservation for today. It's under Dino Reyes.
May I have your ID, sir? In a minute, sir. I just take your reservation. This is the Reyes. We receive a deluxe room for you with a view of the ocean for 2 nights. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Excellent. We already have your credit card information in file. If you just sign the receipt along the bottom, please.
Thank you. What's included in this cost anyway?
A full traditional buffet breakfast and free airport shuttle service and use of the hotel ship are all included.
So what is not included in the price?
Well, you will find a minibar room. Use of it will be changed to your account. And also, the hotel provides room service at an additional charge.
Okay, so what room I am in?
Room 1, here is your key card to get to your room. By the way, sir, this is Jonathan, one of our bellboy. He will assist you to your room.
Great things.
Should you have any question or request, please dial 0 from your room. And also, there is internet available in your establishment 24 hours a day.
Okay, and what is time of checkout?
On or before 12 noon, sir.
Okay, thanks.
Pleasure, sir. Have a wonderful stay at the Cherry Blossom Hotel.
Mr. Reyes, follow me, please. Mr. Reyes, this is your room, number 1. Wait a moment.
Thank you.
Sir, may I explain your room facilities now?
No.
Do you have anything to ask?
No, thank you.
Good day, sir. How may I help you?
I would like to check out.
May I have your room card, sir? Thank you. Thank you. Please give me a moment to check your account and to inform other department about your checkout. Hello, housekeeping. Room 1 for checkout, please. How was your stay, sir?
It was great. I will surely come back.
Here is your folio, sir. Kindly review it first before over signing. How would you like to settle your account, sir? We do accept through cash, credit card, and electronic payment like GCash and PayMoney.
I would like to pay through cash.
Like with your payment, 24,000. I received 24,000. Thank you for payment, Mr. Reyes. Where is your receipt? And I just ask you to sign again.
I need to go to airport.
We do have a airport shuttle service.
That sounds great. But will it get me to airport in time?
Yes, it should. The next shuttle leaves in 15 minutes and it takes approximately 25 minutes to get to the airport.
Fantastic. I just wait in the lunch area.
Absolutely. Here we are, sir. If you like, you can leave your bags with the porter and he can load them into the shuttle for you when it arrives.
That would be great. Thank you.
Would you like to sign the hotel guest book while you wait?
Sure. I had a really good stay here and I tell other people to come here.
That's good to hear. Thank you again for staying at the Cherry Blossom Hotel. We are looking forward to see you again.